So now we are at Linnamäe 35. Let's start the tour. That's the entry door. So here is a hallway, quite spacious, big hallway with a wardrobe. Let's take a look. Big wardrobe. Then on the left hand side you have living room with the kitchen together. That's the kitchen area. Big table, dining table, and a view to the yard. It's a warm place because you have a central heating radiator here, and that's the view. Quiet. These are small streets, and you can see Selveris over there. So shop is close by. So that's it. Very quiet area. So on the right hand side you can see the fridge, microwave. Here you have sitting area, TV, couch. That's my back. And from here now we go to the left, and you can put your stuff. Here is the first bedroom. There is no bed here at the moment, but one bed can be added if you wish so. So that's the view from here. Very warm apartment. The radiators are behind those perforated walls. Let's go from here. To the left we have another bedroom, so the second bedroom. Take a look. Bed here, wardrobe here. Put your stuff there, and the view. Here's the view. The same side, very quiet. And from here, from the second bedroom to the left, we are going water closet, bathroom, below. Here we are, a lot of mirrors here. So we have a bathtub, shower, another mirror, sink, and behind me is the washing machine. There is a radiator here too, so very warm. So from here we are going to the room number 3. Here is a big work desk. This can be like a study or another bedroom, whatever you want. And from here, that's the view from here. That's the entrance to the building where you are going to enter. And this is the third bedroom. And here you have a wardrobe, another place. You can put your things behind the curtain to hang your stuff, and that's the last bedroom. Spacious, with a small window for privacy, so nobody from outside can take a look, and that's it. Okay, that was the tour of Linnamäe 35. More information in this description below. See you.